Okay, we're gonna cook the veggie now. So you probably don't even need to clean the wok if they're not dirty, right, from before. So again, we're gonna let it heat up a little bit, and this time I put a little bit of salt, not much, maybe a pinch, just to give it some flavor. The veggies, as you can see, oil is heating up. We're going to put ginger in like before, and I have the garlic on top. I'm going to throw the whole veggie in there. So now it should be cooking pretty hot. We just stir it a little bit, so making sure that ones in the bottom don't get burned. I put a little bit of water here already in the wok, in the cover, so I'm going to use the cover. Put the water in and cover it. It will get cooked pretty fast. So I'm going to go make a sauce.